Hello ladies and gentlemen, my name is Evidence, and in today's video I am going to be unboxing the Doogee BL5000. So it comes in this black box and it's kind of heavy. The box is heavy. I wonder if the phone inside is also heavy. I wouldn't want a heavy phone in my pocket, you know. But it just says BL5000 and it says belong to you, and it doesn't do anything fancy on the box. And it doesn't even give out any information, and it says midnight black here, and that's pretty much it. So I'm going to crack this box open to see if the phone inside is as heavy as the box itself, and let's get right to it. So this is what the box looks like after the wrapper is taken off, and I'm going to open this up now. Whoa. That's the cap on the box. And here up front it gives you some information. It says fast charge, 5050 milliamp battery. Oh my goodness, this phone should last forever. If this phone is heavy, I will not be surprised, and I won't even be mad because 5000 milliamp battery, that is crazy. That's like, oh my goodness, the Galaxy S8 is like 3000 milliamp battery, and this is 5000. I expect this phone to be heavy. Oh my goodness. And it says 8 curved side, 4GB plus 64GB, so 4GB of RAM and 64GB of storage, 5.5-inch full HD, so 1080p, and then 30 megapixel camera times 2, so it has two 30 megapixel camera. This is interesting. And I'm going to take this box out, or the phone out, not the box. Oh wow. So I'm going to put the box aside for a second and kind of see what the phone itself looks like. And I'm going to take this wrapper off. Oh, first impression, cold, definitely cold. Bulky, as you might say. It's a little bit bulky. It's not slim at all. This is not a slim phone. I'm going to take this back wrapper off. So now that the back wrapper off, it just says Doogee, and it says designed by Doogee in Spain. Nice. And as you can see at the back, it has two cameras and a flash in the middle. And I believe the camera has a wrapper around it. No, it doesn't. It has two cameras on the back, and on the front it has a single front facing camera. It has the earpiece, a headphone jack. Oh my goodness, this is 2018 and it has a headphone jack. I mean, this phone was produced in 2017 and this is early 2018, but still it has a headphone jack. It has a power button here. The power button is very textured, volume up and down, and on the bottom is something that looks like two bottom firing speakers, but then I don't know if these two firing speaker holes are actual two speaker grills. I don't know if these two speaker grills are actually two speakers. So when I do my review of the Doogee BL5000, I'll find out if these two speaker grills corresponds to two speaker bottom firing speakers. So make sure you subscribe to the channel and to find out if these two speaker grills is two speakers actually. And that's the home button right there, and nothing else. And it's kind of curved on both sides, on the front and on the back side. It's also curved on each corner. So I guess this is what they mean by 8 curved sides. And I'm going to power this on, and yeah, this phone is not slim at all, but for 5000 milliamp battery I don't expect it to be slim. But it says Doogee powered by Android. I do not expect this to be slim, but 5000 milliamp battery, that's crazy. And the phone itself doesn't feel too heavy though. So this is what the box looks like when the phone has been taken out. And put this aside, and then this, oh, this is nice. This is really nice. It comes with a case on it. So I don't have to spend money to buy a new case. It comes with a nice case. That's really nice that they include a case on it. I wish more manufacturers would do this, you know, so I'll stop spending money on cases. And apart from the case, we have the charging cable. Like I said, it's a micro USB charging cable. I like really long cables, so I want to see how long this thing is. Yeah, I mean, it's not too long, you know. Look at it. It's not too long, but it gets the job done, and it's not too tiny that the phone will be dangling when you plug it in. I hate those things. I don't like it when manufacturers include like very short cables. Like, why would you do that? It's better not to include any cable at all, okay? But it's a micro USB to USB, and it's not too long, but it gets the job done. And then we have the charging brick right here. It says fast charger 3.0, and that's the memo that nobody's going to read. And it comes with a SIM tray ejection tool, and the SIM tray ejection tool is black too, like the phone. So that's nice attention to detail. So I've set this up really quickly, nothing too fancy, right outside the box. And it does come with a custom launcher, but right out of the box I'm very impressed because this looks very lightweight. It doesn't look like it has a lot of bloatware on it, and I really like that. It doesn't have a lot of bloatware, and only 277 megabytes out of the 64 gigabytes of storage has been used right out of the box, and about 1.1 gigabytes of RAM is being used out of the box. And it's running Android 7.0, and security update is November 5th 2017, and this is January 2018. So this security update is not too far behind. I'm going to connect this to the internet, and I'm going to see if it stays updated. And also I set up the fingerprint sensor. So down here, this home button is the fingerprint sensor also, and it's very fast and responsive. I didn't have any problem setting it up. And the operating system looks a little bit different from stock Android, you know, but it's not too far from stock Android. That's one thing I like about it already. I like it, and it's not too heavy, it's not too bad. And this is the home screen, and swiping to the right kind of gives you this screen. I'm guessing this is the news screen, and this is about it. It doesn't come with too much bloatware, and it's very lightweight, refreshing. And there's this cat coming down on the top right. Oh, I'm guessing that's something like Google Now, something similar to that. So yeah, right out of the box, there's nothing too much to complain about. But I'm going to use this phone for a little bit, for at least 2 weeks. Then I'm going to put out my review. So please subscribe to the channel, and so you don't miss out my review of the Doogee BL5000. And I might even compare it to my Galaxy Note 8. So subscribe for that video, and if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. And thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys on the next video. Bye.